Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So number 2, that is about the cube root of number 2 to the power of 3. Similar for this one. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, I will put the negative on numerator and the denominator. So we need to change the sign of this one, and we have like this. So we need to simplify on numerator and the denominator. Now we can put number 2 cone here and here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.